The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about Google. So I'm on FannyLand.com here, and it says here Google starts rolling out Android updates via Play Store. So this is very interesting, guys. So apparently Google's been rolling out Android updates via Play Store. Apparently, according to this article right here. So let's go check it out and see what it has to say about it. It says here, what started as a rumor last week has now become a certainty, as Google is now rolling out Android Q beta updates through Play Store. So if you guys are enrolled in the Android Q beta program, you guys will be getting your updates via Play Store. So that's pretty interesting. The main benefit is that you'll now find Android updates much easier, or let's say that they will find you faster and easier than before. A couple of Pixel users have taken to Reddit to confirm that the Android Q beta updates have arrived via Google Play Store. Those with Pixel phones that run the previous Android Q beta build should start receiving notifications like the ones you usually get for an app update. Once the update is downloaded and installed, your phone will restart automatically. So here's a screenshot of someone's Pixel that's running Android Q. Y'all guys will see Download Manager. As usually, if you guys download an app, you guys will see Download Manager, and you guys will see Google System Update right there. So I guess Google's doing this with Android Q betas. I don't know if they'll do this with further betas like Android R and S or whatever. We'll have to wait and see about that. But I don't think I don't know. Well, I don't know if the Google's gonna be doing this like mainstream, as in like be pushing all the updates to the Play Store for Android or they're gonna do it for beta versions only. I don't know if this is just a one-time thing or if this will be a reality going forward. We don't know. So apparently, if you guys have like a Pixel phone or whatever that runs Android Q beta, I think it's in beta 2 right now. I think it's in beta 2 right now. Maybe I think it's in beta 2 right now. I think beta 2. And so yeah, and so if you guys are in the Android Q beta, you guys will see the Android system update. You guys will see Download Manager, because you guys usually see Download Manager from the Google Play Store when you guys are downloading apps or updating apps or whatever. But now you will see Google System Update in there as well. And it says once the update is downloaded and installed, your phone will just restart by itself, so do keep it in mind. It says aside from the fact that the whole process of finding and downloading an update is quicker and easier, it's also faster than previous updates. We doubt the new update method will be available to those using phones other than Pixel anytime soon, but we can safely assume that Google will reveal in-depth details about how it's done in early May at Google I/O 2018. So we will have to wait and see if Google mentions anything about this at the Google I/O event in May 2019. So we will have to wait and see. Like I said, this is pretty interesting. I said if Google pushes for the standardization of the, it says if Google pushes for the standardization of the Android iOS updates via Play Store, it could mean a more user-friendly method of updating your phone, but it certainly doesn't guarantee that these important updates will be released faster and at the same time for everyone. So we'll see if Google continues this. This is very interesting. Yeah, so Google's going to updating Android updates via Play Store. Apparently it's easier and faster for you to find the updates and update it there instead of going to settings, about phone, or system updates or something like that. So you guys can go to the Play Store and it's there. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know if this is don't know if this is going to be the standard going forward with the Android phones in the future. I don't know. But right now, if you guys have a Pixel device that runs Android Q Beta, you guys should see something like that on your screen with the download manager, and you guys should see Google's software update, Google system update. So that's pretty interesting. Usually when you guys get a software update on your phone, it's you guys go to your phone settings, about phone, system updates, and your updates are there. But I guess Google's like testing it or whatever, trying to go with the Pixel phone. You guys will see your updates in the Play Store if you guys have the Pixel device that runs Android Q Beta. We'll see if Google talks about this at their Google I/O event in May 2019. So we will have to wait and see about that. Like I said, this is very interesting. Do you guys have a Pixel device that runs Android Q Beta? If you guys do, let me know. And let me know what Pixel phone you have, and let me know have you guys gotten. Let me know if you guys have gotten your updates via Play Store yet or not. So this is very interesting. Like I said, what do you guys think about this? And do you guys think that Android OS updates will be delivered via Play Store from now on from Google, or do you guys think that it will continue as it always have been? Do you guys see the updates through your phone, through your settings, about phone system updates, and the updates are already right there? What do you guys think that Google will do with this? I'd like to hear from you. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, like I said. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smile a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.